Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today we'll be repairing this unit from one of my clients here. I don't know his name because his Facebook name is in a different language. This is, actually I don't know what brand it is because it's not a Bohan, it's not a Saima. Because as you can see, it is engraved and it has very nice what do you call this one, bolt latch, well, fake bolt latch. If it will pull back, nope, doesn't want to get pulled back. And nylon bolt release, ambidextrous mag release, but it has problems. The customer said that the prime doesn't work. I think this is somewhat related. See, it doesn't go back. I need to open this one. And to check if why the manual prime is not working, we need first to fire it. What else is the problem? This battery, mini Tamiya. This should be removed already. Connect. And what? See? None. So we need to check that one. And let's try also firing. Oh, semi. This unit has a problem. See? You know what that means? Anti-reverse reverse latch spring is broken. So there's more than one problem. So many things to do. So first, let's open this one. Oh, and just to make sure that it's not the motor, use this tool. Just be careful, this is dangerous. If the shorts, kaboom. So it primes. So we know it's on the prime terminal. So I will not do a disassembly on this one because it's the usual. I'll just start with the video when it's okay. Okay? Let's do a transition. Okay, so nabuksan ko na. This is a really weird one. First, for the ARL, it just fell through. That's why it's not working anymore. So just need to reset that. But for the prime, it's weird. I don't know if this is a factory defect or it's intentional. I'm not so sure. It doesn't look bent, and I don't want to bend it because it might break. This is pot metal. I don't know if that's bent marks. It's not, see, it's solid. What happened is, see, let's zoom in even more. Okay. And let's put this. This is the proper. As you can see, since it's totally bent, if it primes, it hits the top part. See, it hits. Why this happened, I don't know. So what we have to do is to remove a little bit here so that it will not hit that part. And the prime will work again. And also, come here. The trigger is as usual. Even though it's a 7.4, it's a little bit burnt. Burn marks. Because people like doing semi without a MOSFET. So, that is to be expected. And that's wear and tear. Inside, it's still fine, so we'll just do a cleaning on that one. So far, it looks nice. It's not that damaged yet. It's a little bit loose though, so we'll do something about that. But first, we'll do this one. And I will also do that off camera. Be right back. Okay, so it's finally done. As you can see, let's put the metal barrel. Now, more zoom. See? Move it here. And shoot, shoot, shoot. Works now. Shiny. And also found out the trigger is broken. See? This is broken. So I have to bend. Where you? This here. Because it's like this. So sometimes it goes out. So you need to bend this a little bit inside, so it will work properly. Okay, so let's assemble this one. Up camera. Okay, now we're going to check if it is working, the prime. So first, this. For V2 type gearboxes, when the PDX and usually M4 types, positive, negative. Then connect battery. That's why I hate this. And firing 7.6, good. Then for prime 7.9? Yes, correct. Good. Why this is slower? Because there's a diode there. So it has a voltage drop. So, it's now working. Now we're going to try it assembled. And again, I'll do it off screen. Okay, finally assembled. First, let's trial the selector. Safe. Semi. Proper now. Full auto. Okay. ARL is now working. And what was fixed? Finally. That's funny. Because it's bent, it's a little bit too long. Now, assemble it with everything and let's do an FPS test. Okay, so it's now fully assembled. I'm using a different mag because, where are you, old mag? This mag doesn't like my small tester gels. So it doesn't feel that well. Doesn't feed that well. Unlike this one, which is the PDX short mag, it's better. So now, we're doing some tests using my handy dandy T238 chrono tester. Daybreak one. We'll do some checking on my 10 meters mark. Ding! And APS is nice, 240 average. Let's see. What's this button? And then press down, I think. Oh, hold. See. I like this Tacoma. This is its stats. There. So it's fairly nice. Oh. Hello. There. Ah. It's max is 265, average 236, minimum 1698. So, I consider this done. And again, someone who will identify this unit, please on the comment section down below. I don't know what it is. Anywho, that's the repair of this one. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Oh, Happy New Year! Bye-bye! Ching!